Dear students, good morning to all. As you all know that hair dye is being used as nowadays is made from chemicals. Today we are going to learn about the adverse effects of using hair dye. The topic may be interesting to you. All of you listen. The undesirable effects of hair dye. A recent study showed that around 18% of men and 75% of women dye their hair. Large parts of the population are exposed to chemicals found in hair dyes. Many of the ingredients have been shown to be strong and extreme sensitizers to the skin. History of the hair dye. The dyeing of hair is an ancient art, and the dyeing were obtained from plants. So the dyes obtained from plants are natural dyes. They are good, they are not harmful. So some of the most well-known dyeing materials are henna, indigo, turmeric and amla. So in the year 1661, there was a book called 18 Books of the Secrets of Arts and Nature. This book is explaining the various methods of coloring the hair to get black, gold, green, red, yellow colors and how we can get these colors. And the scientist called Eugene, who creating the first synthetic hair dye in the year 1907. Eugene was the creator who created the first synthetic hair dye. In the year 1947, the German cosmetics firm launched the first home color product called Polycolor. Hair dyeing is now a multi-billion-dollar industry that involves the use of both plant-derived and synthetic dyes. What is hair dye made of? The main categories of hair dye based on their chemical composition. So the main chemicals present in the hair dye are oxidative chemicals and permanent hair dyeing material. For permanent hair coloring, substances are added to open the cuticle. Therefore, the dye can penetrate the hair shaft. The color changes remain while the hair grows. So, permanent hair color contains three major components: aromatic amines, a coupling agent, and an oxidant. When hair dye is added, ammonia opens the cuticle. So ammonia is the main ingredient which opens the cuticle so that the dye can penetrate. So the reaction between the dye and coupling agent allows the dye to become larger and cannot easily be washed out of the hair. The second one is the temporary or semi-permanent hair dye. The substances used partially enter the cuticle or they attach to the outside and will eventually be washed out. Although these products are not oxidizing, they still contain very small amounts of oxidants. Whereas in permanent coloring material, oxidants are present in the major portion. Whereas here the temporary hair dyeing, it contains a small amount of the oxidants. Examples of temporary products include shampoo, hair gel, spray and other products. Reasons to stop dyeing your hair now. Hair dye instead of the word hair dye. So it's deadly side effects. The hair dyeing causes deadly side effects. So we have to avoid it. So what are the effects, adverse effects caused by the hair dye? The first one, asthma. Asthma, which is due to the presence of persulfates present in the dyeing material. The second one is allergic. The hair dye causes severe allergic reactions. Mainly, the chemical present here is PPD, that is paraphenyldiamine, which is simply called as PPD, a chemical used in the color some coloring material, which is causing allergic. Similarly, the material present in the hair dye even may cause cancer. So, according to the data retrieved from the National Cancer Institute, 30% of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma cases are caused by regular use of commercial hair dye. And also breast cancer. Women who work in the salon industry for 5 years or more continuously showed a higher incidence of breast cancer. Resorcinol is an endocrine disturbing chemical that may also increase the risk of breast cancer by disturbing natural hormonal balance. Similarly, multiple myeloma, men who use hair dye every once in a while to cover up the gray may still be at risk for developing this cancer of the bone marrow. The another one is contact urticaria. The preservatives and substances added to enhance hair color are the ingredients that are most likely to cause contact urticaria. Symptoms may occur a few minutes after exposure to the dye product, and usually abate, that is slowly coming down within few hours. Actually, we have to stop dyeing your hair. Dangerous chemical products. Hair dyeing can be safe if you use the right ingredients. Always choose a completely organic or natural product when dyeing hair. You will get the color you want without the risk of horrible side effects. Chemicals which are responsible for this effect. So these are the chemicals, mainly lead acetate trihydrate, this PPD and the gelatin are responsible for the adverse effects. Gelatin is is an allergic substance which causes allergy. Different combinations of chemicals will give different colors, different shades of colors. So the primary intermediates and the couplers provide a spectrum of shade of hair colors. Blue couplers, red couplers and yellow green couplers. Blue couplers, that is 1,3-diaminobenzene, red couplers phenols and naphthals, and yellow green couplers include resorcinol, which gives different shades of colors. Hair dyes can be safe if we use right ingredients, that is made up of natural materials. So we have to choose always a completely organic or natural product when dyeing hair. The main plant-based dyes are henna. It is an orange dye commonly used as a hair color whose active component lawson binds to keratin. Indigo is natural dye that can be added to henna or layered on top of it to create brown or brown to black colors in the hair. Instead of dyeing the hair, if we eat healthy food, will give natural color and also healthy hair. So some important food we have to take are listed here. One is salmon food, salmon fish, which is for shiny hair and which contains omega-3 fatty acids. Then Greek yogurt, it also has an ingredient that helps with the blood flows to your scalp and hair growth, which contains vitamin B5 and iron, which is very important for healthy hair. Iron is present in fortified cereal, grains pastas, and in soya beans, lentils, beef, especially organ meats like liver have lots of it. Spinach to battle brittle hair. Spinach is full of amazing nutrients. It has tons of vitamin A and iron, beta carotene, folate, and vitamin C. These work together for a healthy scalp. They keep your hair moisturized so it does not break. Lean poultry for thickness. When you do not get enough protein, hair growth risks. Since it stops and older hairs fall out, you can have hair loss. So, to get protein from meat, pick lean options like chicken or turkey, which have less saturated fat than sources like beef. Oysters for fullness. It contains zinc, which is very important mineral we need when you don't have enough of this mineral in your diet. You can have hair loss, so we need to have zinc, which oysters will give this zinc mineral. Similarly, eggs for growth. Protein and iron bases are covered when you eat egg. They are rich in beta vitamin called biotin that helps hair grow. So biotin also helps strengthen brittle fingernails. Sweet potatoes to fight dull locks. Sweet potatoes are filled with beta carotene. Your body turns beta carotene into vitamin A. So that helps protect against dry, dull hair. So it also encourages the glands in your scalp to make an oily fluid called sebum. So cinnamon is important for blood circulation, which also helps our hair growth. So eating healthy food, we can have a healthy life. Thank you, students. Thank you.